Let's say the magnetic field is cross. Cross means the magnetic field is inside into the plane of paper. So magnetic field is represented by cross and intensity of magnet is B. Let's say we have charge here and that charge is moving with a velocity in the magnetic field. So the force experienced by the charge part, that's going to be Q times V vector cross B vector, right? That's the value of the magnetic force experienced by this charged particle. If you talk about the direction of magnetic force now, we can get it by using right hand thumb rule that we learned in the vector. Also we can use the Fleming left hand rule. With the help of that rule, we have to stretch the thumb and first two fingers in such a way that the thumb, let's say this is your thumb. It's a 3D diagram, but I'm trying to draw it. So let's say this is the first finger which is towards the velocity, and this would be the finger which will be towards the magnetic field. So this represents the field vector, this is the velocity vector, then this will give you the direction of magnetic force. We can also use a right hand thumb rule. That is quite easy to get the direction, because let's say this is the V vector and let's say we have this is the magnetic field vector which is B vector. Now this rule says that put your right hand on the V vector, curl your forefinger towards the B vector, and that will give you the direction of V cross B, right? So we have, this is the magnetic force. Now let's talk about a little more about that. So we got the force which is Q times V vector cross B vector. If you talk about the magnitude of this, magnitude will be QVB sine theta with the help of the property of a cross product. Now one more thing